Here, welcome to my other channel, and my name is Adishtu. I'm gonna telling you about how many difficulties are faced by Indian team in the first ODI, because it is the highlights of first ODI, and he has also run and chased the ball, but in the chase the ball has been begin, and yeah, this is not a wicket but has a good effort. We can say that it's a good effort, and I think that Warner and Finch is the best partnership in today's life and today's world, and in the world it has a good partnership between them. And because in the second number, Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan's partnership was there, but now Yash cut the record between Shikhar Dhawan and Rohit Sharma, because the highest partnership between Rohit Sharma and Shikhar Dhawan is 246, but he has taken the cutted record, but this was a miracle, and there is gone for 6, because I was also not understand that what is the power Aaron Finch is using for giving a one more 6 and one more 6 and one more 6. But David Warner is a player that can be a run out. No, he has a good running between the wickets and has a 50. So I'm going to telling you about how many difficulties are faced by Indian team, because I think that in the opening bowling, the Jasprit Bumrah is not getting its partner like Bhuvneshwar Kumar, because when they are going for taking the Kohli is going for joining Bhuvneshwar Kumar in the team 11, because the Australian series is going for over on 2 December 9-10, the match is going for start. But I think that see the score 156. I'll try, and it's out. It was a very big wicket in the first ODI, and I was thinking that they can't take a wicket, but obviously Mohammad Shami get it to Indian team, and there is the Steve Smith here, one more wicket here. So they were going for taking the review, and the review are unsuccessful, missing to the wickets, and it was the first ODI. Steve Smith was also very worried about that. I am out. I was not played very well, and I have not scored much run in the ODIs. But now I'm not worried about the match, and I am playing very spaciously. And it was a very precious match for. You can see this. You can see what the problem is facing by the Indian team. They are not getting the ball, and only you mean tukka, that is only is going for helping you, not so that they with the helping of the fieldings and bowlings. If you are playing cricket, you need 3 things. First off, good batting, better performance and efforts. Second thing, bowling performance. Bowling performance is how that if the batsman, if the Australian team has scored 256, the Indian team has scored 256, so you have the ability to defense that total. If you are going for defending that total, you will obviously win. But if you are not going for defending the total, if your bowling is not good, so no, you can't win a match. And I have already tell, for winning a match, for a victory, you need 3 things. First, a fielding effort and good fielding. Second, bowling efforts and good bowling and better than the opponent team. And next one, batting. If you are scoring 256, 272 and above 300, if your bowling is not good, so you can defend. But if you have scored 250, 260, so you can't like this. So friends, for this channel, only this one is correct. Okay, thank you friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I will also come to second innings. And so you also know that how much is playing. So it's a good shot and taking the Steve Smith and Aaron Finch and there is Alex Carey, and in the another one, Steve Smith at the first century. This is the happiness of the Steve Smith, that when he is out, no, there is not any constituency, and there the Shikhar Dhawan and Mayank Agarwal has been opened. But that one thing is very faced by Indian batsmen, because they're not getting the ball. How the ball is pitching on the pitch, and this is a good shot by Mayank Agarwal, and is playing well, but not making a partnership. Yes, see, not getting the ball. How the ball is pitching, and here's the Mayank Agrawal, no, the Mayank Agrawal non-striker, and Dhawan. He has played a good shot, but he is making a partnership. But Mayank Agrawal is not able to make a partnership between 10 overs or 20 overs. This is the very big problem faced by Indian batsmen, and there is nothing bad about in playing 11. There is not something bad, but the partnership. The most thing is partnership. See here, they have not scored the ball, and somewhere the Kohli has been and entered, and then this one. See here, oh my God, Adam Zampa, what he has done. If he has taken this catch, he would be pay for it. Okay, so the first two things are very understand by the Indian batsman, because the Kohli is playing very well but in the first ODI is not scored very well, but in the second ODI 89 runs, but here see here 21. So I am not very happy about Kohli, because in the second he has played 89 runs, and in both the times Kohli is out in the same directions, that in the covers final leg, and there is only no gap in between, and Shikhar Dhawan played very good, and after the Hardik Pandya come, he was also not stopping, and Australians were not stopped, but something that is not better, because if they are going for starting the bowling partnership in first to 10 overs, they have to convert it. And how they will convert? They have to they are not getting all the balls preciously, because all the balls are very precious, and you need to score on every ball. So this is not going for helping about the India. You have a good strength of fielding, you have a good strength of bowling, and have a good strength of batting. So you have to win and have victory. So I am not very happy about Indian team, because they can also play very well, but they are not giving their full effort. So thank you friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.